Hello, everyone. It's been a busy day today, although today is my birthday. And I've talked to all of my kids today, either seen them or talked to them. My grandson showed up a few minutes ago and to tell me happy birthday, said, I just wanted to come by and give you a hug. I mean, what better birthday present can you get than that? But anyway, I've enjoyed my birthday today. Been doing some organizing in the house because a lot of my family had to work today. So I had some things that I'm trying to reorganize pantry-wise. So I've been working on that today. But I had mentioned early in the month that I would be doing a giveaway. And then things kind of got crazy when my daughter's service dog got hurt so bad, and she is doing much, much better. I think she's got to go back to the vet on Monday, and she is walking some now, but she gets tired really, really fast, and she's lost some muscle in her back end. So I'm sure that therapy is going to be recommended probably starting next week. But anyway, I just wanted to let y'all know to be looking for a live, and that will be toward the end of the month. I will do a live, and I will pull from the names of people that are on the live to do the drawing from. And I will do the drawing live as well. I will probably do a live stream one day and then do the drawing maybe the next day or something. But be looking for that. I've got some neat things that I'm going to give away. There'll be some canning lids and just several different things that I will be giving away on that drawing. So y'all be watching for that. And probably tomorrow I am going to show y'all how to do a keto bread that my family just loves it. And so be watching for that. I think I've got everything that I need to be able to do that. I'll have to check and make sure. But anyway, I just wanted to come on for a few minutes and tell you all about the drawing, and just to tell y'all how much I appreciate each one of you for watching my videos. And I never dreamed when I got back on the first of the year and started doing my videos how many people would watch my videos and my shorts and all that stuff. And I occasionally will post something just as a post or a link to something else. And so, be sure and check all those things out. I've got a couple of people that turn my videos on their TV or their tablet, and when they're up doing their work, they leave it on so that they're listening, as just instead of having the TV on, they're listening to videos. And they said it's amazing how much they can pick up from those videos just by listening. And so anyways, I appreciate everybody that is checking out my channel. And I'm getting really close to getting up to 1,000 people. And of course, most of y'all, if you've ever checked it out, you know that 1,000 people is where you have to be monetized. But of course, you have to be up to 4,000 watch hours in a year too. And I'm a long way from doing that. But that's okay. I didn't do it for the money. I did it on Facebook a long time ago. I had, between 12 and 13,000 people there. And it wasn't monetized, and I answered questions and was on there all the time trying to help people. And so it's not about the money. It's about trying to help y'all to learn some of the skills that I, as an old woman, have learned throughout my life, and I want to pass that on to you all. And so, you never know. You never know when you're going to need to know how to can or dehydrate or make homemade bread, or, just cooking from scratch, just being able to make things, making a homemade biscuit. That's something else I'm probably going to do very soon too. But anyway, I just wanted to stop by for a few minutes and say thank you to all of you all for watching my channel, and an appreciation for y'all being here in my birthday month. I'm going to do this giveaway. So be watching. Probably, I don't know, somewhere between the 27th and the 31st is when I will do this. And actually, I'm going to say from the 27th to the 30th, because I know I won't be doing it on the 30th. I have something else scheduled that day. So anyways, until we meet again, until I get back on here again, God bless each and every one of you.